Alright, let's get an awesome rotating banner for your website. In Grumo Media, you can see there is this banner. So I use a plugin called Promotion Slider, which you can download in here at orderofbusiness.net WordPress plugins promotion slider. But basically, the fastest way of getting it is just go to your plugins, right, and add new, then type the name of the plugin, Promotion Slider, and then go install now. Say OK. Activate plugin. And now you should have a new tab called Promotions. So the first thing you have to do is create a couple of promotions, right? So let's create a new one, add new promotion, and give it a title. Learn to create awesome demo videos the Grumo way. Then what you're gonna have to do is upload a picture that is gonna go onto that banner, and you can add as many banners as you want. So we can upload that one, and then you have to select use as feature image, and then save all changes. Alright, and then go publish. So what we're doing right now is setting up the content that is going to go inside the banner. And we can do that as many times as we want to. So, hola, soy Miguel. ¿Cómo estás? Which means, hello, my name is Miguel, how are you? And I just want to show you how you can keep creating images for your, which one should I select? That one, there you go. Upload it. Remember, this is a very big file. It won't fit. And also the dimensions are 640 by 424. So if you measure the width of the place where you want to put your banner, in my case it's about 600 pixels, you may have to resize it in order for it to fit properly in your banner. So that's going to take a little bit of trial and error. Click use as feature image and publish. So now we have two images. Now, how do we insert those images in our post? There's a couple of ways. You can get the rotating banner inside any post by using a shortcode, right? And if you go to a promotion slider, and by the way, if you want to learn how to use any plugin, usually when you go to the plugins page, and in this case, promotion sliders right here, you can go and click visit plugin site, and then you'll be able to learn how to use it. But in this case, it's fairly simple. All you have to do is use the little shortcode, and shortcodes are little words that go in between brackets, and this allows you to invoke the name of that plugin within a post if you want to. So let's go to one of our posts, and just put that shortcode there, see what happens. Now, for shortcuts to work, usually you should be on HTML view, otherwise they'll be just rendered exactly the way that you write them. So promo slider, the shortcode, update, and then let's see how that looks like. So go click preview changes. It's updating right now. Preview changes. See if that actually looks like anything. And there we are. You have a rotating banner. You just can click on it. And now there's a bunch of parameters that you can set. So it's automatic. The size as well. As you can see, the image is too big, so it's cropped, right? So you may want to change the parameters. And that's fairly easy to do. But before we do that, change the parameters, I'm going to show you how to hard code it so it always shows up. Right now it's only showing on a post. So if I go to let's say just one of my categories and look at it, well, it's still there because it's open, but let's go to the home page. It doesn't appear there, right? Let's see on the blog. it appears there, but maybe I want it to be there all the time, like on my site here. Check this out. It's always there. I can see like a little bit of each post, but it's always there. Doesn't matter where I go. So how do you do that? Well, you have to hard code it. And to do that, let's go to the promo slider plugin side. Just scroll down, and it says here, I don't want to use the shortcode. Can I hard code the slider into my theme? Very easily. Just copy and paste this PHP snippet, and then what you have to do is go to Appearance, Editor, and then go to your main index template, right? And now you can paste it. Now it's a little bit tricky to know where to paste it, but this could be a good place right there. And it should always now appear all the time. Let's see if it does appear all the time. Home. There you go. Now it's hard coded into the theme. Next thing we're gonna do is edit it so it does what we want it to do. Right now it's in automatic, but it has that little thing. Well, on my Grumo Media side, I already added some little parameters. So what you have to do is set the parameters that are gonna tell you how many posts are gonna play, what type of display. All of that is explained there, right? But basically, you can go here, post type promotion, display title default, because right now it's not displaying the title, right? And I wanna display the title. So let me just do that. I'm just actually gonna copy this and go and paste it here. Promo slider, post type promotion, category, my category. I think you don't need these two. Just for now. You can check display default, because right now it's not displaying the title, right? Maybe I want to display the title. So let's just update this. And this is just an example of how easy to customize it is. So if I refresh the page, there you go. Now it does say the title, right? And it's just rotating, and it's lovely. So whatever you put the shortcode, it will appear on your blog post. Now it obviously is appearing twice because I hard coded it into the theme, and it's also on the post. But there you go. Very simple, fast way of adding a good looking rotating banner to your WordPress site. It's called Promotion Slider. Thanks for watching.